Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create or insert bulleted lists in your documents and notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Alright, let me just launch the Goodnotes app on my device, navigate to the document with that page here. So you can insert bulleted as well as numbered lists into sticky notes, text boxes, and so on and so forth. So let us go with this sticky note here. Sorry, my mouse. So what you want to do is, let me just remove that text. Use that tool or customization bar here at the top, align and spacing, and next to it you will see the bulleted as well as numbered list feature. Click into it and select one of these options, and you will see the first bullet point here. Fill it with text, I don't know, user interface or something like that. Press enter to skip to the next line, enter the text here, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to add a sub bullet point, press tab on your keyboard, and you may skip to the next position, as you can see, but the bullet point here itself remains at the same position for some reason. I don't know why, but you can use the tab key on your keyboard to change the indent here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.